Oh, I'm so excited to do the tech news day. I'm practically bursting here.
I don't believe you.
Apple is continuing its streak of subtly announcing new products on its website with the new 16-inch MacBook Pro. And of course, MKBHD already has a video up about it. That guy. But that's neither here nor there. The new model replaces the 15-inch MacBook Pro in Apple's lineup with a 9th gen 6 or 8 core Intel processor, up to 64 gigabytes of memory, and up to 8 terabytes of storage, and the Radeon 5300M or 5500M GPUs. Maxed out, it can cost you $6,100 US. But the truly big news here, Apple got rid of their stupid butterfly keyboard.
Yes!
Huh! Instead, they reinvented their existing scissor switch-based Magic Keyboard from their desktop machines and stuck it into this one. They also brought back the escape key. Jesus, and made the laptop slightly thicker to accommodate a bigger battery for 11 hours of battery life. Apple listening to their critics and making changes that prioritize function over form? What timeline is this? Oh, it's the one where Phil Schiller said that kids who use Chromebooks won't succeed. There it is. Intel is in hot water after they didn't quite tell the truth concerning vulnerabilities in their processors. You see, researchers told Intel back in September 2018 about a series of flaws collectively known as zombie load. Intel refers to them as MDS. Intel told the researchers to not disclose the vulnerabilities until they could develop a patch. You know, that's fair. In May 2019, Intel released a patch saying the flaws were fixed, but not all of them were. Intel asked the researchers to stay quiet again until yesterday when the company said another flaw was discovered. And they fixed that now too. But the researchers say that's still not the whole picture. Serious MDS vulnerabilities persist in Intel processors that the company has known about since May. The researchers have now decided to go public with it. Suck it, Intel. They're hoping it'll finally light a fire under Intel's butt. Disclosing and patching security flaws is obviously a delicate balance between public awareness and public safety, but Intel's had more than a year to figure this out. That's not even lose marks for lateness situation. That's just a fail.
Maybe they just operate better.
It's a fail!
Ah!
And Facebook's having some trouble getting regulatory approval for its Libra cryptocurrency. So the house of Zuckerberg is just launching a less complicated digital payment system. Facebook Pay is essentially the company's version of Venmo, allowing users of Facebook and Facebook Messenger, naturally, to buy in-game purchases, apparently those games, event tickets, and products from businesses, as well as send and receive money directly from other users. Support for WhatsApp and Instagram will apparently be added in the future. I'm sure we can trust Facebook with our money, right? I mean, yeah, the iOS Facebook app was just caught activating phone cameras while people were simply scrolling through the Facebook app, but they said that was a bug.
Yeah.
It was just a bug, guys.
Fine.
It's fine.
You shall be assimilated.
I've never seen a bit so quick that it could outquick a bit quick. New leaks of the Motorola Razer foldable phone popped up today, just hours before Motorola will be launching it for real this evening. By the time this video goes up, you may have a better idea of what it is than we do right now. So let us know. What's it like? Does it look okay? Do I need it? I need it! I'm out of here! While Google claims their medical data collection initiative, known as Project Nightingale, is all completely above board, the US Department of Health and Human Services has initiated an investigation just to make sure. Despite the fact that patients didn't know their data was being sucked up, Google says it's not a big deal. Guys, don't worry about it. Meanwhile, Google also is working on a banking initiative called Cash with a CH. I don't know, guys. This is getting really dystopian really fast.
It's fine.
At least there's Facebook and Google. At least there's two.
Yeah, we'll have two and Amazon. No!
And WeChat. New streaming service Disney Plus launched yesterday and promptly gathered more than 10 million signups across Canada, the US, and the Netherlands. The dark Shadowlands. The nether regions. For context, Netflix has about 60 million subscribers in the US, but that's after years of operation. So things are looking pretty good for the Mouse House right about now. Although a big chunk of users might just call it quits after the free 1-week trial expires if they don't fix all the issues that are cropping up, like how David's Chromecast doesn't work, and they cut out the Simpsons jokes and stop freaking editing out old Star Wars movies. The Greedo, did I say Guido? Scoundrels.
That's a different one.
Scoundrels.
Yeah.
Rumors are starting to percolate regarding Nvidia's upcoming 7nm Ampere GPUs, with the latest information saying that we could peep them in March at GTC. The GPUs were apparently going to be announced earlier, but were delayed for undisclosed reasons. I mean, who knows what's going on in Jensen's head or jean jacket pocket.
Just constant screaming.
And it's time to have courage because the Chromium-based Brave web browser is officially launching as version 1.0. Brave automatically blocks trackers and invasive ads. It claims to be faster than vanilla Chrome and is apparently going to pay users to see ads in the future. What a waste of time. It's not every day that I get excited about a browser, you know, but that money is certainly getting me close. All right, that's enough. Come back on Friday for more tech news when we're gonna know more about what's going on than you do. Hopefully. That's the way it should be.
Wait, what's going on right now?
Hey!